Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal January of 2026. Let's grab our junk journals and our favorite beverage of choice and let's dive into another creative session for day 24 and the prompt of blank. To be honest, today I was a bit tired and exhausted, and I originally thought rest would be the prompt, where I allow myself a bit to rest and make a more simpler spread, but I felt like I needed that today as well. So I was really happy that I had the perfect page for blank in my journal already in mind, which is this photo page with just the little very high contrast pictures of people standing at the bottom of the spread. And I just decided to allow myself to make it super simple for myself today and just add a quote about leaving space and the absence of something. The blank space, in a way, is also a very important part about art. It's not always about what is there in the art to see, but sometimes the more important part is the part you can't see, or that is not there in the picture or in the movie or in the song or whatever kind of medium you have for your creativity. Sometimes it's the absence of something that creates the art in a way. And that's just something I wanted to remind myself by writing down this quote and kind of calling it a day for today's junk journal spread. I know it's super simple and it's kind of not really junk journaly in a way, but I feel like as the complete journal is kind of made out of junk and different paper materials that aren't the regular journal spread paper, it's fine if you just use one quote on the spread. You work in a junk journal, so it's a junk journal spread. At least that's what I tell myself. And so for today, it's a super simple one-liner and a lot of blank space in a way. I hope you are allowing yourself to take some rest and to leave something blank when you don't have the creativity to come up with something super elaborate or complicated. Allow yourself to take a step back so that you don't burn out. I would highly encourage everyone to listen to your own needs when being creative and making art. There is not always the best in pushing through, no matter how hard you have to push to get something done. So sometimes you just need to leave a page blank. So don't be afraid of the blank space. Allow yourself to leave space for something, and also leave space for yourself in your art and your creative practice. I hope you enjoyed this quick little daily update on my Junk Journal January challenge. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And see you tomorrow to some more creative exploration. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's quick little creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. See you tomorrow. Until then, happy creating.